While the nation was facing an acute shortage of beds, oxygen cylinders, and basic medicines, Akshat Makhija decided to help people on ground. From coordinating vaccination camps for senior citizens to organizing RT-PCR tests at his home, he did everything in his capacity. He also distributed N95 masks, medicines, and food to poor people. Akshat even gave his car to needy for carrying oxygen cylinders. NewsX proudly recognizes second wave superhero Akshat Makhija.
Hello and a warm welcome to a brand new episode of Music's Second Wave Superheroes. I am Ajasri Chauhan and today I'm joined with Akshat Makhija, who's an engineer and a mathematician. Welcome to the show, Akshat.
Hi, thanks for inviting me to your program. Like you guys are doing a great job by spreading awareness and finding people, contacting them who did some work for people. So thank you.
I would personally like to thank you first, Akshat, for the good work that you've been doing for the society. And also, I would like you to begin by telling our viewers that how exactly were you able to do all this? Like, what exactly did you do? How did you help people? Tell us in detail.
Thank you for saying the words. They're really kind of you to notice my efforts. So I'll make it short. Like I was infected with COVID, and as soon as I barely recovered, my mother also got infected with COVID, and she was on oxygen support. So I arranged oxygen cylinders and did all the treatment, consulted doctors. So the time that I went through, I realized that there are a lot of things that people do not understand when it's related to how to use the oxygen cylinder. So as soon as she recovered, I started making videos to help people like how to control the leakage of a cylinder, how to determine the flow rate. Like there are a lot of things because not everyone is an engineer. No one has even seen an oxygen cylinder before. So ekdam se how will he, determine how to use it, how to no, not everyone can hire a nurse at home and get all the care. So I made videos to educate people how to use a cylinder, how to control the flow, कैसे आपको insulin pen देना है, what how to give a subcutaneous injection, these kind of things which are available in YouTube but very difficult to understand. Then I like even small things like I help people with doctor consultations. Like I have an app, so I help people who do not know how to use an app, so that I can arrange a doctor call for them. Then we did food distribution. Even yesterday, I put a post on food distribution. We are distributing food packets daily to poor kids, who or those who can't afford foods. Even medicines, those who don't have even a basic medicine like paracetamol. So we have it in stock. We can give it to people. I arranged I have an SUV, so I gave my car for people, who can transport an oxygen cylinder in that. Then even help people in arranging an oxygen concentrator, how to make a commercial invoice to clear it for imports. So all this information was my job. Now we are also organizing a blood donation camp. I myself donated blood twice. Okay, I help people get RT-PCR tests. So these are the things that I help people, call them. People panic a lot in these times. So like a lot of people are saying कि oxygen में से
Yeah.
leakage आ रही है, क्या करूँ मैं? So I said just calm down, you make a soapy water solution, उसको लगा के देखो कहाँ पे leakage हो रही है, use a nylon tape. So these things I was available. I put my number in public domain so that people can contact me and people can ask me questions that they don't have access to.
Right. That's thanks for that information. And a lot of people can do this too, but they just choose not to. But like people like you who've chosen to take up this responsibility, it's really great to see young people like you do all this. I would also like to ask you about your motivation. Like apart from yourself being infected with COVID, was there a cry for help that you heard from the society and you took up this responsibility?
Well, the motivation is that I went through the same thing. I'm not a seasoned social worker. I've never worked in an NGO before. I'll be honest. I don't want to make stories that I did that, but I went through the same thing. And then I realized that the situation really needs people to help and come out. And I'm from a technical background, so I can, make people understand things that are not available online. So making those videos, I even went to some people's home at 2 a.m. at night in my community to set up an oxygen cylinder for them. क्योंकि they don't know कि उसको कैसे उसको खोलना है, cannula कैसे उसको sanitize करनी है, how to use a nebulizer. So these things, I have the technical knowledge. So I, even went to people's home to set up the cylinder. किसी के लिए hospital bed arrange करना है, using my contacts, putting things on social media. So that was, I automatically did it, because I went through the same thing. So I knew that, people will require help using this.
Okay. Also, were there any emotional moments while you were helping people or doing all this that moved you emotionally?
Of course, I was emotionally moved, but I wasn't emotionally affected or depressed or shocked or panicked. I was in my own confident control that we have to manage things no matter what.
That's amazing. Also, do you think authorities could have been a little more supportive than they were?
Well, to be honest, my mother was infected on 28th. And we got a message from the government that if you need any help after a month. So obviously this is like, if we are getting a message for help after a month, all the help is gone, right? We did it ourselves. So I think they should hire volunteers. They should hire people that, can help people through digital media, like even you and me are doing. They should make some tests cheaper, like a CRP test and some tests, like blood tests. Itne mehenge hai. Like a CRP test is like 400-500 rupees. There's a test called IL-6. Every doctor is recommending 3,000 ka test hai. How will people get, these kind of tests? Jiski monthly income is 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 hai. So, they should try to bring these test costs down. They should try to educate people. Like I am making videos, government se bhi ek video aa jati hai oxygen cylinder ki use karne ki, so that would have been helpful.
Yeah. Also, what do you think? What can be the ways in which, few further ways that are now being said that they are inevitable, they will surely come. How do you think should we prepare for them? How should the government prepare for them, in your opinion?
Well, see, I won't talk about politics and, what government will do. That is their job. I think they have got a big enough shock now to, be prepared and be, ready the oxygen. But as people, we should, focus on our fitness. We should focus on controlling our blood sugar. Now you can see what is happening with this fungal infections. Everything is related to the blood sugar. So if I am a diabetic, I should be like on a alarm mode ki, I should control my diabetes because COVID can affect me. The fungal infections can infect me. So I'm also putting videos on diet, how to control your blood sugar, how to, do your exercise and everything. So as citizens, we should be prepared ki theek hai, we should get vaccinated, we should be fit, we should control our blood sugar. And baki jo government ka kaam hai, I expect them to do, if more waves come. Helping, don't think about like, what will you get in return? Like I wasn't expecting your team to contact me that you'll take an interview. That's why I help people. Just help selflessly and do your job because people require it. And there are things that, you can even do just sitting at home. Matlab Instagram pe log pure din stories dalte hain, they're putting their pizza and, whatever they eat all day. You can just put, like someone needs help. You can arrange a doctor call. I have doctor friends. मैंने खुद अपने friend को बोला, he works in a civil hospital, very, very smart guy. His name is Anmol. I mean, thanking him also. But, I made him call so many people ki bhai, he needs help. You need to, guide him. So everyone has doctor friends, contacts. Everyone can do something. So even if you don't have to step out and distribute food like I am doing, or donating blood or plasma or whatever, you can just stay at home and use the power of social media to do something good.
That's a great point. Thank you, Akshit, for talking to us and, for doing all the good work that you've been doing for the society. Thanks again.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.